looking for the sports channel, Gary.
Alrighty, well, quick trading recap right now. We traded a really active day trading. We traded Boeing, DraftKings, HD, LI, Square, and a little bit of Tesla. It was kind of a base hit Monday, meaning our profits were pretty small on the day trading side of things. And so it was just kind of getting those base hits. There weren't really any stretchers or home run trades today, but let's get into the trades. Our first trade of the day was on Boeing. We had this nice up pull down. I wanted to catch it on this wick, but I kept having to move up my bid order. And eventually I saw it put in this red candle. I was like, oh, perfect. I can just buy it over 240.60 with a stop beneath, 249.44. Boom, we got this quick slam up. I was a little bit worried about this resistance. We slammed up, and literally as we were coming down, I didn't want to play around with Boeing. I got out a little bit soon, but got out at about 241.40. So a nice point. I was risking a little about a point, so 1-to-1 risk to reward. Not the best trade, not the worst trade. It ended up green, plus $56 on Boeing. Our next trade of the day was on DraftKings DKNG. And DraftKings was, upgraded today. And I said I like DraftKings over 50. Boom, we got a nice push up, 250. Pull back, and as we started to curl up, I went ahead and got long on DraftKings right there. We got this nice good push up. I saw this breakout over 50.60, but then once the sellers really started to take over, I went ahead and just went flat on DraftKings for a nice little $20. The option contract wasn't super volatile. Not the biggest fan of DraftKings. Our next trade of the day was on HD, and it was a short trade. Short trade on HD, and HD just started to break down, broke support. We went ahead and went short on HD, just underneath 262.60. Stopped just above, 263.30. So, about 60 cents a risk. And I just didn't like the way HD was moving. Once we did this, put in a double bottom and then started to come up, I just went flat. So that's why it's such a small dud trade. Basically a break-even trade plus $6. Nothing really there. I didn't like the way it was feeling. Sometimes you can just get out of the trade if you don't like the way it's going. LI was our next trade of the day, and LI was a really good trade. We had a nice good dip down in the morning. Bull pullback, we started to curl up, and over, I think it was 30.28, we went ahead and went long, moved up. I was targeting just about the 31 area, had a nice pullback, and then boom, this upper wick filled me for just another little baby profit, base hit of $20. And then our last day trade of the day was SQ, Square, and Square. We had this nice good push down, pull up, push down. I really should have been long, in the 210s area, 210 over 210, but because I was buying up a little bit high, I kept a really tight stop loss, and I'm glad I did. I was wicked into the SQ contract right over there as we broke out of the triangle pattern. Then we came down, and then boom, we broke support. I think I went flat right there, or maybe it was later over here. It just never went high enough to reach my target. And SQ is kind of a dud. It did the deal later in the day, but I wasn't willing to stick around. So SQ minus $29. So pretty good day trading. A little bit clapped on the swings if we take a look at the swings, but that's just because we caught a lot of decay. That was just not really the best representation, but yeah, small little break-even day, slightly positive if you include all accounts, but nothing too much there. Alrighty, hopefully we can get ready for another big day. A lot of our Weenie Trades members did really good today. They made bank. They're racking in 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, riding up Tesla calls. We rode on Tesla today, if you remember that. If you saw on Weenie Trades Live, we said Tesla looks good over 600. We even said it in the game plan. Boom, Tesla, nice move up. No reason to sell all day. Put in a bull flag after bull flag. Here's your channel up. Then it just started going sideways for a bit, and then boom, another breakout over 630, massive move. A little bit of a dip in volatile towards the end of the day. A lot of people want to, take their profits and stuff like that, but we caught the debit spreads and stuff, so be sure to tune into Weenie Trades Live, and you can say hi. Alrighty, see ya.